Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Jimmy and you're watching Jimboyrulez. In today's video, I'm going to show you my full garage remodel and the conclusion in under 10 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So if you've been following this channel, you would have seen all the phases as they happened, but this is more like an index, like a summary, a recap of all the phases in one video. In this video, I'll start with phase 1, which was painting and everything and some cabinets. Phase 2 was some more cabinets. Phase 3 was some more cabinets, but I did phase 4 before I did phase 3, which was the flooring. So this is a summary and a recap of everything in under 10 minutes in this video. All the products that are used in remodeling my garage will be in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Also, if you want to dive deeper into each phase on how I did everything, then those videos would be in the link below as well. So make sure you check everything out. There's also a playlist of all the phases in order if you want to check that out. Make sure you watch this whole video, and then whatever interests you, you can check those videos out. I will also put them in the link up here somewhere. They'll pop up as the phases go. All right, so let's get started with phase 1. We started with painting the garage walls gray. My family helped me every step of the way. I wanted to have a gray-black theme going, maybe with a hint of red. For a lot of people, this might not be a big deal, painting their garage. For me, I'm a first-time homeowner in the US, so I had never done anything like this before. It was the first time doing a remodel of something or any handiwork. So this was a big project for me. So I ordered NewAge Product garage cabinets and they arrived on time. They gave me a curbside delivery. They mention it on their website. They only do curbside deliveries. So me and my dad brought all the cabinets in, unboxed it on the curb, brought everything in. And if you want to see the detailed video of everything, then you can check the link out. In my initial videos did not have really good sound because I was still learning how to make YouTube videos, so I did not have a microphone and everything, so I do apologize, and hopefully you can forgive me for the really bad sound in those videos. I have done everything in phases, so this was phase 1 of installing the cabinets. This is the first time I was installing the cabinets, so it took me a little longer, but I was still done in a day. The second and the third time I did it took me lesser time, but even if you ordered the same set of cabinets, you would be done in less than 8 hours if there are 2 of you installing the cabinets. I would highly recommend that you don't try to install the cabinets on your own, because you probably would end up damaging the cabinets or hurting yourself if you try to do it yourself alone. So I haven't cleaned everything up. I've left it in a mess because I wanted to show you how it looks like being used and did not want to make it look pretty. I just left it as it is. And this was phase 1 done. Phase 2, well, because I needed to clear this clutter, and look how good phase 1 looked. So it was only normal for me to make other section of my garage look equally good, and rather than having all this mess and everything just lying around like this. So I ordered some more NewAge Product garage cabinets so I can line them up over here and get rid of all this clutter. I also want to have like a computer workstation over here, so I want to put a 3-monitor setup with a TV. Now I ordered similar NewAge Product garage cabinets and they arrived. We marked the studs on the wall and then we unboxed them. Slowly and gradually we started lining everything up. I mocked it up on the wall with a pencil, and then whatever you see with a red sketch pen, that is the studs that are marked. We were not installing the 2 center cabinets because that's where the TV will go. And I ordered the metalwork top over here. And I'm going to have my computer set up here. So this way, on this metalwork top and this workstation, I don't get it really dirty. I don't do any handy kind of work over here. And this is purely for my computer. Okay, so this is phase 2 done, and you can see my mic and everything. I work on my editing on my videos over here, and I also record my videos facing this way, so this is phase 2. So then we decided to do phase 4 before we do phase 3. Phase 4 was supposed to be the garage flooring, and that's the boxes that you see. Those are the garage tiles that have arrived. Why are we doing tiles? I've made a much more detailed video about how I decided that I wanted plastic tiles. I compare all different kinds of flooring, and I'll link that in the description as well. Then I came across 2 different companies. Both the companies were like almost equally good in garage flooring, so it was a task to decide which was the better one out of the 2 and which suited my needs better. I went with Swisstrax, and I have compared those 2 garage tile companies as well, and I will put that in the link in the description below as well. And then we're just laying down the tiles in the center first. After we've done the center portion, which only took about an hour, we do the corners. The corners would take you much longer because you have to cut the tiles according to your size, so you would need a table saw or something to cut them with. The detailed video would be in the description as well. And then we're done with the garage flooring, and the flooring made it look so much better. It gave a completely different look. It looks much more finished, clean, and it just transformed my garage completely. Now, as you can see, phase 3 is done. That's my flooring. I haven't cleaned my floor in about 6 months or maybe more since I actually installed the flooring. And you can see some leaves here and there, but it looks pretty clean and it stays pretty clean. So that's the flooring. Phase 4, 3, one of those. Like, I didn't go by the order. It was actually supposed to be phase 4, but I did it before phase 3. And this is the last phase, and we decided to add another workstation. So the first phase, the workstation there is supposed to be for woodwork or maybe garage work, working on the car. It gets dirty, oil stains, this, that, and the other. Workstation number 2, which was phase 2, is for my computer for editing videos and everything. And then this workstation is going to be for more artsy work like painting, crafts, sewing, or everything. So we're supposed to not get any oil or anything on this, so that's why I think I needed 3 workstations, and then this is going to be the 3rd one. We had to move the automation for the sprinklers on the side, and that's the mark you see on the wall, but it was going to get covered up by the big cabinet, so I didn't worry about painting it. There was a plug socket behind it, so I had to cut the cabinet out so that I could access the plug socket behind the cabinet. So that's what I do with the grinder over here, and then just place that cabinet there in the corner. And then we went for the wood workstation. Now that I have a metal workstation and the wood workstation, I'm going to make a comparison video of which workstation might be right for you, the wood one or the metal countertop, but that would be another video I'll make some point in the future. And then this is phase 3, which was supposed to be done before my flooring, but then again, it's done. It's a temporary setup right now. This workstation is going to be more for arts and crafts, sewing, painting, artsy work. Well, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, and all the links of all the videos of different phases are below in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you for watching. See you later. Ciao.